and for the lower cam. And I'm just greasing where the connecting lever interacts with the lower cam. And the hole for the upper cam, the little nub, which we spoke about earlier. And with the upper cam fitted, I can secure that. Now I'm fitting the operating lever yoke, and this needs to go in under tension with the operating lever spring. And I'm just using my tweezers, brass tweezers, to hold it steady, and I'm using my other tweezers just to pull it back. And I'm holding it steady whilst I screw it down. And I'm just greasing the parts where the spring interacts with the lower cam. And now I'm fitting the cam jumper spring. This is quite a heavy spring, and there are 2 posts that need to be located into the plate. But there's another spring that goes on top of this one, so I'm not going to be securing this with in the meantime until I've fitted the top spring. Or the hammer spring. But first I need to fit the hammer. And I'm just using a little grease here where the hammer interacts with the upper cam, and a bit of grease on the actual hammer where the hammer spring interacts with the hammer. And with that done, I can fit the hammer spring. And before I put the spring under tension, I'm just securing it with the screw here. Now with that done, I can fit the hammer bolt. And there's a little spring here which keeps the bolt under tension. And the hammer bolt keeps the hammer out of the way when the chronograph is in operation. and this requires a little bit of grease just to keep it lubricated. And now I'm fitting the spring for the coupling clutch. And with that done, we'll give it a quick check to make sure it's operating correctly. So now I can refit the escapement. I'll start with the pallet fork. And I'm lubricating the chronograph runner wheel, the top pivot there, with 9010. And I'm oiling the exit pallet with 941. So now I can refit the balance wheel. And it looks happy. So now I'm oiling the the upper and lower end stones with Mobius 9010. And now the watch is assembled, and that seems to be running along nicely. So now I can refit the hour wheel and the dial in the hands. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next Tuesday, where I'll continue the series on the regulating the watches and moving on with the timing machine. So if you'd like to stay updated with my work, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter. Links below in the description for this video.